Rolling.
Goedemiddag julle, Marissa Smit hier van Tussen die Lyne. Nou, my super nuwe potgooi wat gisterand gerelease het, gaan juis oor vroue rugby in Suid-Afrika en ons Springbok vroue speel Saterdag in hulle tweede toets teen Amerika. Ek sit hier saam met twee Impie Warriors. Nou, my eerste vraag sal wees, hoekom het die vroue in die Impies om vooruit te draf nie?
Intombazana enosimela as the nation, so as like we can choose like a warrior. So we always, as the king, as warriors, we always need like a woman that will be like there for us, you know. So Intombazana is no smela as a warrior.
Ja, en ek stem saam, want hulle is baie braaf en hulle sal oorlog toe gaan vir hulle span, hulle sal oorlog toe gaan vir Suid-Afrika, so ek dink ons moet bietjie begin kyk na 'n plan om iemand vir hulle ook te kry, want hierdie vroue kort blootstelling en ek het selfs om met 'n spul Amatombies groot geword, so miskien moet ons hulle dalk kry.
Ja! Score prediction?
Score prediction nou, so ja, verlede week het ons Amerika gewen. I think the USA will come out with a bang.
Yes.
But still, I think our girls are special and they should win.
What was our score prediction last week?
Last week
Not our prediction, what was our score?
Our score was 34 against 21. So ek dink
21.
ons kan hulle maklik weer met 10 punte nie.
Okay, I think this week we actually going 40 South African, 20 against USA.
Yes.
USA might have a point to prove,
Ja, that's true.
you know. So they're going to come back and they've got nothing to lose and everything to play for. So let's see. It might be, you know, it might be a close call. It might be something like 2018 to South Africa.
Okay.
That's it. Maar ons weer die vrou gaan dit kan doen.
Go, ladies.
Ja!